Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zoho Sprints for Agile planning in US teams step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Zoho Sprints account. If you don't have an account, visit the Zoho Sprints website to create one. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard. Click on the Create Project button to begin setting up your Agile project. In the Project Setup window, enter a name for your project. Select the appropriate project type based on your Agile methodology. Choose a start date and an end date for your project timeline. Click Next to proceed to the next configuration step. Now, you will set up your project teams. Add team members by entering their email addresses. Assign roles to each team member, such as Scrum Master or Developer. Once your team is set up, click Next to continue. Next, you need to add your project backlog. Click on the Backlog tab in the Project menu. Here, you can create user stories by clicking on the Add User Story button. Enter a title and description for each user story. Set the priority and estimate the effort required for each user story. Once you've added all necessary user stories, you can organize them into sprints. Go to the Sprints tab in your Project menu. Click on Create Sprint and enter a name for your sprint. Define the sprint start and end dates. Select the user stories you want to include in this sprint. Once selected, click Add to Sprint to finalize your sprint configuration. Now, navigate to the Board tab to visualize your sprint. Customize your Kanban board by dragging and dropping user stories into appropriate columns. Update the status of each user story as your team works on them. You can log time and add comments on each user story for better tracking. Review the sprint progress regularly in the Analytics section of the dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.